Hi guys, happy Shark Week! We are going to be making our slideshows to go along with our shark research that we've been doing this week. If you haven't watched the prior video about Shark Week, about our shark research and how to get to the research through Clever and to this page, I need you to go back and watch that before you watch this, alright? Okay, so today we're going to be creating a slide. Each person is going to make their own slide about their kind of shark, what it eats, what its habitat looks like, and list 3 facts about the shark. So you're going to, when you click on Google Slides, you're going to be seeing this page. Let me move it over for you a little bit. All right, so you're going to scroll down until you find your name. Right now I don't have all of your names on there because I have to post this online and I don't want to put your names on it online. So they will have your names when you're there though. So see how it says fact 1, fact 2, fact 3. That's where you're going to put all of your facts, just like Mrs. Ingle did here. Remember that when you are editing the text, you're going to click or double click until you get to the right place. Oops. And then you're going to start typing. Sharks are da, 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 da. To save time, I went ahead and wrote out all of my facts. So here are my facts listed out. Notice that if it's underlined in red, that must mean it's spelled wrong. So I'll try to guess. Is that better? Cross. Look, it fixed it. If it didn't, then we'd go up to tools and spelling, which your adult can help you with. So after we have all 3 facts listed, then we're going to need to start inserting images of the habitat and of the shark. So you're going to go up to the top here to where you see this little mountain picture. You're going to go search the web. And I want you to type in the specific shark that you are researching. So Mrs. Ingle chose hammerhead shark. So I'm going to click hammerhead shark. Then I'm going to click on an image that's cool. I think this one looks awesome. So I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to click insert. Or I could click and drag it. Now, if I want it bigger or smaller, remember, I'm just going to move it to make it the right size. I'm going to do the same thing for each one of the steps of other things that I need. And if I need to remember, I'll go back and look. Oh, I need to find what it eats. I need to put a picture of that. And I need to put a picture of the habitat, which could kind of count here because the ocean's already in the background. When you're all done, it automatically saves for you. So there you go. That's all you have to do. Happy Shark Week. Have a great day.